Hey everybody, Fred McGee here. Welcome to the ultimate guide to Las Vegas. If you're watching this, you're probably planning a trip to Sin City. And let me tell you, you're in for a treat. We're diving into the top must-see attractions in this neon oasis. So, grab your lucky dice and get ready to explore the city that never sleeps. We're heading just outside of Vegas to visit an engineering marvel, the Hoover Dam. Please like, share, and subscribe to the No Frills family. Built during the Great Depression, this dam holds back enough water to fill a swimming pool the size of Rhode Island. Walk across it, tour inside, and learn about its fascinating history. Plus, tell your friends you stood on a wall holding back millions of gallons of water. Next, we trade the modern marvel for a trip back in time at Nelson Ghost Town. This abandoned mining town feels like stepping into an old Western movie, but with fewer gunfights, hopefully. Wander through dusty streets, peek into abandoned buildings, and maybe spot a ghost or two. Even without ghosts, it's a fascinating glimpse into Nevada's Wild West past. True crime fans, this one's for you. The Mob Museum in downtown Vegas dives deep into the history of organized crime in America. From the St. Valentine's Day Massacre wall to the Kefauver hearings courtroom, this museum is packed with artifacts and exhibits. Feeling the need for speed? Hop in your car and hit the open road on a journey down a piece of American history. Route 66. Roll down the windows, crank up some classic rock, and experience the nostalgia. You'll find vintage diners, quirky roadside attractions, and stunning desert scenery along the way. Get ready for a show more spectacular than a magician pulling a rabbit out of a hat. The Bellagio Fountains are world famous for a reason. This choreographed water show, set to music from classical to pop, will leave you breathless. Find a spot on the strip, grab some popcorn, and prepare to be amazed. Head downtown to experience the electric atmosphere of Fremont Street. This pedestrian mall is a sensory overload in the best way. Think of it as the Strip's wilder, more unpredictable cousin. You'll find street performers, live music, zip lines, and light shows. We can't talk about Vegas without mentioning the iconic Las Vegas Strip. This 4-mile stretch of casinos, hotels, and entertainment is the beating heart of Sin City. Whether you're feeling lucky at the casino, catching a show, or just want to gawk at the architecture, the Strip is a must-see. Just be prepared to spend some money, because Vegas wasn't built on penny slots. Ever wonder what happens to those iconic neon signs when they're no longer lighting up the night? They retired to the Neon Museum, also known as the Neon Boneyard. This open-air museum is a treasure trove of vintage Vegas signage. It's a fascinating and slightly eerie glimpse into Vegas's past. No trip to Vegas is complete without a selfie in front of the "Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas" sign. Sure, it's touristy, but hey, you're a tourist. Embrace it. Be prepared to wait in line. Everyone wants that perfect Instagram shot. Pro tip: go early or late to beat the crowds. Burnt out on the neon and noise? Escape the city to one of the world's most awe-inspiring wonders, the Grand Canyon. A short helicopter ride or scenic drive from Vegas, the Grand Canyon will blow your mind. It's a humbling experience that reminds you there's more to life than blackjack and buffets. Well, folks, there you have it. The top must-see spots in fabulous Las Vegas. From the bright lights of the Strip to the natural wonder of the Grand Canyon. Please like, share, and subscribe to the No Frills family. Thanks for joining us on this wild ride through Las Vegas. Until next time, stay fabulous.